You're watching FaheemShaheen English practice. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Ali. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am also fine. What are you doing today? I am going to the market. What about you? I am staying home today. I have some cleaning to do. Oh, I see. Do you clean the house every day? No, not every day. Only twice a week. That's nice. I also help my mother sometimes. That's good. Helping at home is important. Yes, I agree. Do you cook food at home? Yes, I love cooking. What do you like to cook? I like to cook rice, curd, and sometimes pasta. Wow, that sounds tasty. Thank you. Do you know how to cook? A little bit. I can make tea and omelette. That's a good start. Everyone should learn cooking. Yes, I want to learn more. Maybe you can teach me one day. Sure, I will teach you something simple. That would be great. Thank you. Ali, do you speak English with others? Not much. I only speak at school sometimes. I try to speak every day, even at home. That's a good idea. I want to improve my English. We can practice together. It will help both of us. Yes, I agree speaking practice is important. We can talk for 10 minutes in English daily. Perfect. Let's start from today. Okay. Tell me, what do you do in your free time? I read books and watch videos on YouTube. What kind of books do you read? Simple English story books. That's great. I also read short English stories. Reading helps with new words. Yes, and watching English cartoons also have. I watch cartoons too. They speak slowly and clearly. Exactly. That's why beginners should watch cartoons. Do you have any tips for learning English? Yes, listen, read, speak, and write daily. That's smart. I will try to follow this. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep trying. Yes, we learn from mistakes. Write and speak with friends who are learning too. Like you? Ha ha ha. Yes, like me. Thank you, Sarah. You helped me a lot today. You're welcome, Ali. I enjoyed talking to you. Me too. Let's talk again tomorrow. Sure, same time. Yes, see you tomorrow. See you. Bye. Bye.